Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Shopify. First, let's talk about finding your perfect niche. It's crucial to identify a market with strong demand, but not too much competition. Think about what problems you can solve for customers or what unique desires you can fulfill. A good starting point is to aim for products that offer at least a 30% profit margin, ensuring your efforts are well rewarded. Once your niche is clear, it's time to source your products and set up your store. You might choose dropshipping for its low upfront cost, or perhaps you'll sell unique handmade items. Building your Shopify store involves creating an attractive, user-friendly design. Ensure your product pages feature high-quality images and persuasive descriptions. Don't forget to establish secure payment options and transparent shipping policies for a smooth customer experience. Now that your store is ready, effective marketing is key to attracting customers. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok to connect with your audience and showcase your products. Implementing search engine optimization, or SEO, will help people find your store organically. Consider running targeted advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook or Google to reach a wider, relevant audience. Offering special promotions can also be a great way to boost initial sales. To truly succeed, focus on scaling your business and fostering customer loyalty. Exceptional customer service is paramount. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your store. Regularly analyze your sales data to understand what's working best and optimize your inventory. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing leads and announcing exciting new products. Finally, consider expanding your product offerings or exploring new markets to continue your growth journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.